Hi guys, it's Cressa. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe now, because why not? So for today's tutorial, I'm going to do a Ariana Grande inspired look, so keep watching. I'm going to start off by prepping her skin with the Wishful Honey Balm. I love this stuff. It works really good as a day cream and a primer. I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown corrector in Peach Bisque. It's really good at kind of hiding any discoloration. I'm then going to use the Hudabeauty Overachiever Concealer in shade Coconut Flakes. This is slightly brighter than her natural skin tone. I'm just kind of like pressing it in with a sponge. I'm then using the Hourglass Stick Foundation. This is shade Sand. It's slightly warmer than her natural skin, and this is because it's for camera makeup, so we want it a little bit darker. I'm going to go ahead and set her makeup with Hudabeauty Easy Bake Powder in shade Pound Cake. And then for under the eyes, I'm using a different shade. This one is Sugar Cookie. Going in with the contour now. This one is Anastasia Beverley Hills in shade Light Medium. It also includes like a bronzer shade too, just to slightly warm up her décolleté and neck as well. I'm prepping her eyes with the Hudabeauty Matte and Metal eyeshadow. This is shade Bamboo Hoops and Faux Fur. For her eyes, I'm using the Rose Gold palette. This is amazing for an everyday golden glam. I'm just buffing in the warm brown shade all over her eye socket. I'm then adding the shimmery shade directly with my ring finger. Smoking that out under her bottom lash line so it looks nice and smoky. Enhancing that inner highlight. So pretty. Adding a bit more depth to her outer corner as well. Going back in with the liquid eyeshadow. This side is the metallic side. It's so pretty, super reflective, looks great on camera. A bit of tight line using the Life Liner. It's a very strong pigmented black. It's also waterproof and it does not budge. Because this is an Ariana Grande inspired look, I'm doing more of a wedged eyeliner look. This part is optional, guys, so you could just skip this part if you don't like a smoky liner, but I love a good smoky line. I'm then going to use the Samantha lash by Hudabeauty. With the soap brow, so I'm just brushing her brows with the soap and fluffing it out. I'm then going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is shade medium brown. Adding a flush of colour with Bobbi Brown Clementine blusher. I'm then going to go in with the Cover FX Enhancer Drops. I'm not sure what shade this is, but I will link it below for you guys. On top of that, I'm just using the Hudabeauty 3D highlighter palette in Golden Sands, and I'm also giving her a highlight down the nose and on the Cupid's bow too. I'm going in with the Hudabeauty Flirt Lip Contour. I'm slightly going over her natural lip, not too much. For quite a nude lipstick. This one is also Hudabeauty. It's the Liquid Matte Lipstick in Wifey. I'm just going to finish with the Legit Lash Mascara on her bottom lash line. So that's the complete look. Like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment below on what you want to see in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you soon.